Hi everyone. Let's learn about there is and there are. First, we need to know there is for one thing or person. There are is for two or more. Two or more. Okay? So we can say there is a pencil. Just one. There is a pencil. For are, we would say there are pencils. Pencils. Maybe two, maybe three, maybe many. We could say there is a student. Or we could say there are students. Okay? If we want to ask a question, we would change the order. Is there a student? Is there a student? And remember, you change the order when you have a question. We can say no, there isn't. You could say no, there isn't a student, or you can say no, there isn't. You could say yes, or you could just say yes, or you could say yes, there is, or there is a student. The same is for asking questions with there are. If you want a question, again, you have to change the order. You would say, are there pens? Are there pens? Some people say, are there any? Are there any pens? You can say yes. That's fine. You can say yes. There are. You can say no. There aren't. So remember, with questions, you change the order. With statements, you say it there is or there are. Remember, are is two or more. Is for one thing. All right. Have a great day.